The best Samsung phones tend to have a few key features that make them stand out from the crowd. These include fantastic cameras, intuitive software, and great reliability. It's these things that have made the South Korean tech giant such a hit among many of us. Samsung is no stranger to pushing the envelope either, with its latest Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 ushering foldable phones into the mainstream, while additions like the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro show innovation in other areas of consumer tech and help build out the user experience that users can sink their teeth into. Samsung continues to battle Apple and Google for the crown of the best smartphone. To expand sales, the company started releasing extremely capable mid-range phones while also offering innovative folding devices. Samsung is clearly the leader in foldable technology and the only widely available maker of folding smartphones for the global market. So here are top 5 Samsung smartphones that you can buy in 2022. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the best Samsung phone you can buy right now, combining all the best bits of the S Ultra range and the Galaxy Note range into one sumptuous package. Really though, this is more Note than S, with a Note-like shape, an S Pen stylus and a slot to house it. This make it a dream for productivity, allowing you to sketch, edit and take handwritten notes with ease. But the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra also has the excellent camera hardware you would expect from the range, including an improved 10x optical zoom lens. There is plenty of power too, whether you end up with the Exynos 2200 chipset or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 model that, coupled with a massive 6.8-inch 120Hz 1440x3088 screen, makes the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra a joy to use. A big battery, fast 45-watt charging, water resistance and masses of RAM and storage are all here too, among many other flagship features. The product will cost you $1,199 in the US market. The Samsung Galaxy A53 is not the fastest phone, but it offers a lot for the price. Good looking, it's comfy to hold onto with an understated camera bump on the back. Its 6.5-inch screen uses an AMOLED panel while offering a full HD resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, so it's easily one of the best looking displays in the price range. Accompanying that is a 64MP main lens, 12MP ultra-wide, 5MP macro and 5MP depth sensor, so the Samsung Galaxy A53 can take some pretty good photos as helped by some smart software options. The product costs $449 and it's a little sluggish at times. One will still forgive the Samsung Galaxy A53 if you are keen for a great camera and screen without spending a fortune. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is the baby of the Galaxy S22 range, but that doesn't mean you should not consider it. In fact, as the cheapest of Samsung's flagship trio, it's a very tempting handset and easily one of the best Samsung phones. It's a small by flagship phone standards too, with a 6.1-inch screen and compact overall dimension, making this a great choice for fans of small handsets. That screen is no slouch though, with a 120Hz refresh rate and a crisp 1080x2340 resolution. The cameras, while no match for those on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, are also fairly good and include a new 50MP main sensor along with the capable ultra-wide and telephoto ones. And as noted, the phone performs well as it packs a top-end chipset and 8GB of RAM. If you need the biggest or best phone around, then this is not for you. But if you want a capable, compact flagship on a budget, then the Samsung Galaxy S22 is well worth considering. The product will cost you as low as $619, while Chinese rivals offer more bang for your buck for those after an affordable phone with Samsung's specific take and Android. Look no further than the Galaxy A13. It boasts the same stylish design as the rest of the current A series and as a user experience. One UI is packed with options for customization as well as a few unique features you can't find on competing budget devices. There is a notable difference to the A13 depending on where you pick one up. Across the board, the 50MP main camera impresses for the price, but in the US you lose out on the 5MP secondary ultra-wide snapper found on the UK and Australian models in exchange for 5G connectivity. The product is priced at $249. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is Samsung's top premium flagship for 2021, and what a phone it is. For the first time, Samsung offered S Pen support on an S range handset here, meaning that you can optionally get the Galaxy Note Note range's best feature. But even without that, this is a stunning handset with a brilliant quad lens camera capable of 10x optical zoom. In fact, in our review, we called it the best camera zoom on any readily available Android phone, though the S22 Ultra has since beat it. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra also looks great with a smooth Gorilla Glass back that has matte finish that looks better than the reflective Galaxy S20 range, while around the front there is a curved edge-to-edge 6.8-inch screen. And speaking of that screen, for the first time on a Samsung phone, you get both a QHD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate at the same time. And being a high-end Samsung screen, this is one of the best around. The product will cost you $999. There is also orders of power, of course, and while obviously very expensive, this actually has a cheaper starting price than the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra did at launch. Different things are important to different people, but price, screen size, and battery life are three key considerations for many buyers. And this was the list of top 5 Samsung smartphones to buy in 2022. If you like our list, then do like the video and leave a comment. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe to Just Smart Tech.